Welcome back to azWHOLEistic. We're going to be talking in this little video about CBD for hemorrhoids. Everything you need to know. Alright, so what are they? Well, hemorrhoids, also known as piles, are swollen veins in the lower part of the anal cavity and rectum area. When the walls of these vessels are stretched, they become irritated. Although hemorrhoids can be unpleasant and painful, they are typically easily treated and preventable. So how do people get them? Well, hemorrhoids can develop from increased pressure in the lower rectum due to straining during bowel movements, sitting for long periods of time as truck drivers do on long hauls, also sitting on the toilet for long periods of time, which some people do, and having chronic diarrhea or, more specifically, constipation from a virus or even poor eating habits. Some people eat a very poor diet. They find themselves constipated almost on a weekly basis. We know that CBD helps with constipation. We want people to be aware of the benefit of a good quality plant-based diet with CBD. They both work hand in hand very well together. Also, the most common is that people just tend to push too hard during bowel movements. Now, sometimes it's not their fault. Sometimes it might be a prescription medication that's causing the constipation. But again, good, clean dietary habits can also help avoid constipation. Different types. The symptoms of hemorrhoids depend on the type you have, whether it's internal or external. If you have external hemorrhoids, you may have anal itching, one or more hard, little tender lump near your anus, anal ache or pain, especially when sitting. Too much straining, rubbing, or cleaning around the area may make the symptoms worse. So for many people, the symptoms of external hemorrhoids go away typically within 3 to 5 days. But here is a little brief illustration of the two types of hemorrhoids. The little purple bump at the bottom of the illustration clearly shows the external hemorrhoid. It's like a little bump just on the end of the anus, and the internal hemorrhoid is a little further up inside. So let's move on. The internal type, if you have an internal hemorrhoid, you may have bleeding from your rectum. Bright red blood on the stool, in the toilet, on the toilet paper, etc. A hemorrhoid that has fallen through the anal opening is called a prolapse. This is a more serious type of hemorrhoid and may require a doctor's treatment or attention. So be aware of that. Okay? Now, CBD for relief. CBD has natural anti-inflammatory benefits, so it can be an inexpensive and viable way to help reduce the discomfort for both internal and external hemorrhoids. So clean the area well, and then apply a few drops of CBD oil on your finger and rub directly onto the area of discomfort. Now, for people with more significant issues in internal hemorrhoids, you can also use a CBD gel cap, and they can be inserted into the rectum and used as a suppository for internal hemorrhoids. And as we know, many different types of cannabinoids assist the body in natural healing. So CBD just tends to speed up the natural process of the immune system. Also, hope this has helped people who do have frequent discomfort from hemorrhoids, and hopefully we won't get too many internet trolls making negative comments about this topic because it has to do with the anal region. Still, this is medicine, and we want to talk to people about how CBD can help in all areas of their life. So hopefully this has helped anyone with chronic conditions of hemorrhoids, and thanks so much for watching.